Hi guys and girls, this is Christy McCormick. Chris Duncan and I have been working on patches. Our Minimax, we're going to be putting on a Kawasaki 440 engine. The front end had some just falling apart. We had to beef it up a little bit. This airplane is probably 30 some years old. We're going to put some angle iron right here. We had to beef all this up. It was creaking and cracking, and so we got to work on this some. I had to scrub a flight on this airplane due to a bracket, aileron bracket that broke apart, and so I'm working on that. I know it looks pretty rough, but patches has been around a long time. So I'm just kind of wriggling some joints and stuff. Both of these aileron brackets were, especially the right hand bracket was really loose. The left hand, we're working on that. I'm doing that. So Chris Duncan has pretty much been spearheading the nose section. We had to take this bottom section all out. It was all cracked up, broken up, so we're going to put another ply piece down here, put some aluminum angle iron right here, and in between here. Yeah, she's pretty. She's pretty ugly, yeah. But, you know, it's patches, right? Patches! Yay! Eddie's Airlines. Yep, old 97. Yep. She's a keeper. Yep. She looks pretty rough, boys and girls, but she'll still fly again. I last flew it about 2 years ago, and, you know, boy, I tell you, she's pretty ugly pretty. Yeah. And, so, you know, patches is just patches. I like flying her. I rebuilt this after Chris Duncan chopped the cabin off. This used to have been a Himax, and so I finished it up and made it into a Minimax. Yay! So, yeah. She's a nice old bird. She's kind of like me, old and, you know, old, just old. But she'll fly again. Anyway, that's the progress report. And I've been having a lot of people ask me about it. And so here it is. Don't worry, we're still working on patches. And she shall hopefully fly soon.